We also have avatar videos that you can use. So if you don't want to be on there at all, but you want something on the screen, you can choose an avatar from our avatar library, or you can create an avatar of your own just by clicking create, be specific about what the avatar looks like, choose an AI voice. Takes a little bit of time to create the asset, but once it does, you'll get a notification it's done. You can use them in email campaigns. You can also use them in screen videos if you want someone to walk through a website or maybe a document like, hey, sign here, do that kind of stuff, more administrative, more educational. So if I wanted to say, have one of the avatars just kind of walk through a little property update, I can go to the Dubb desktop app like we saw earlier. I can click the record narrator video. Like, remember, we played the pre-recorded version of myself. So instead, here, I'm going to pop into the Dubb library. I'm going to put narrator in, and I'm going to find the video that I created with Ava the avatar so Ava can do the property walkthrough and I don't have to do it. And again, this is your choice in terms of the use case and how much you want to lean into the avatar, if you do it all. And if you do, put it right here. Again, all the rules still apply. I'm going to move Ava to an interesting spot for the GIF, change the shape, hit record, and now Ava is going to do the property walkthrough.
Hi there. I saw you were checking out some properties in the area and wanted to.
And then you can do something like that. So there's a lot of different options in terms of the style, the visuals, but it's all related to what your goal is and what you're trying to get done. And that is a big part of it in terms of deciding which is the one that you want to go with.